there's another leak somewhere else. It's leaking a gallon a minute, so not good. And we'd have to evacuate all the houses around here. Expensive to fix one of those.
Sun crawls up slow through the canyon haze. Cold steel waiting where the frost still lays. Boot in the gravel, coffee in hand. First cut of morning in the stubborn land. Bucket swings low like an old church bell. Echo through hollows where the coyotes yell. Some men pray and some men wait. Some men dig through dirt and slate.
There's a white truck parked by the cedar line, painted letters worn by time. John Ray Excavation on the door in red, where the hard ground breaks and the pipe runs fed.
Hey, it's Skylar, John Ray Excavation again. Here at this house where they have a water leak, they had a family member dig it up here and try to fix it. And they did fix this leak. It was leaking here, but when they turned the meter back on, it was spinning, even with the valve closed on the inside. So it cuts across and goes, I can't point, between the garage and that porch. So we're gonna redo it a little bit so we don't have to go onto the sidewalk and do so much damage, and try to come in the side of this porch. Which underneath that, that's a cold storage. And from there, a plumber is gonna take it in and hook it up from there. But yeah, we'll get going on this. We're gonna have to cross this gas line. It's like right next to me. I don't know how he didn't hit it when they did this, but we got to be really careful not to hit that gas line. That'll be not good. That's expensive to fix one of those, and we'd have to evacuate all the houses around here. We don't want to hit gas. So see if hopefully we don't hit it. I don't think we will if I'm really careful and I remember that it's there. Got some sprinkler line here to miss too. That shouldn't be a big deal. I mean, even if I hit it, it's not the end of the world, but this one's the biggest concern. Anyway, see how it goes. Thanks. Okay, this is where we got to tie into the building. I just noticed there's a sewer right there. Well, I did know that before, but surprised there's a sewer line there. I don't know if it runs this way, goes this way, where it goes. So I'm going to have to pull this lid off if I can. That came on. Kind of looks like it goes that way, but I have no idea. Let me get my phone and look down in there. A little phone holder there. Okay, use the sunlight, kind of peek down in there. Holy, yeah, it's deep. I don't know if you can see that at all. Probably not. It's probably blocking the view. Hope I don't drop this thing in there. All right. Anyway, that's super deep. But the pipe's just kind of bent. They go straight down right here. So it's got to be real careful. Don't hit that and break it. Okay, we got the gas line found, the dangerous part. I'm just gonna keep digging around it till I get to the front, and then I'm gonna dig on that side of it. Once I bring that line over, then I just have this little bit to clean up. All right, got the water line all installed. It started raining, so I was just trying to get done fast. So I got the penetration through the wall grouted, and I just sprayed some Flex Seal all around that just so that doesn't leak, especially where there's a roof gutter going to be draining right onto that. Definitely want that sealed. I also went on the inside and sealed it up with mortar, not just mortar, hydraulic non-shrink grout. So it's like it's made to withstand water pushing against that, and it won't let any water through. So anyways, got this all in. Missed this sprinkler line that we didn't know where it was. We thought it was clear up there, but surprised me and got up here. I got really lucky I didn't break that, which, I mean, it's not that big a deal if I did, but got around here, got the gas line, went under that gas line. The gas line's fairly deep, but yeah, got around that, no trouble. I did break this line. I thought it kept coming straight, but it just 90'd right there and surprised me, but I ended up wiping that out. I gotta leave that open, get it fixed, but yeah, connected into the old line. Should be good. Guess you can watch me backfill. I had to come back another day because I wanted to put sand around this. I'm doing this job on a Saturday, but now it's Monday. I can get some sand here to bed this pipe with. I don't know if it's the acidity in the soil that's kind of weakening it, or there was some rocks. I just feel like it's a good idea to bed this stuff. I mean, the dirt's probably all right, but it's probably a good idea to get it bedded anyways, because poly usually doesn't just leak randomly, which this line leaked over there by the meter. And then they fixed that by themselves, and there's another leak somewhere else. It's leaking a gallon a minute. So I don't know. Maybe the poly was bad, maybe the soil, maybe whatever, but it's a good idea to just get it bedded with some good sand so there's no issues in the future. Anyways, I'll put on the time lapse so you can watch me backfilling. Then we'll get this thing wrapped up and get out of here. Okay, got this wrapped up. Cleaned off the grass with that little weed whacker attachment. I don't know if anybody's ever seen that, but that's my first time really using it. It's pretty sweet. Clean up the grass instead of trying to rake it. Anyway, I had to dig this and leave this open for a sprinkler line so we could fix that. But other than that, water's working and no leaks, so we're good to go. I'll catch you in the next one.